How to get my WhatsApp link. So if you want to get your WhatsApp link, or if you want to get your WhatsApp link, then what you need to do is you just need to open up your Messenger, Snapchat, Instagram, anything that you're comfortable with, or any chat that you're comfortable with. So for example, I'll be choosing my Instagram and choose a chat that you would like to send your WhatsApp link to. Once you've choose, now tap on the search. Once you've choose, now tap on the message bar, and here you need to enter wa.me plus the country code and your mobile number, and then tap on send. And once you've sent, that's it, you have shared your WhatsApp link. So if someone taps on that, then they will be directed to your WhatsApp and they can chat with you. So that's how you can get your WhatsApp link. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.